camera as it grows. And today we're gonna be working on this 169cc Chinese scooter. Today we're gonna be changing the gear oil. And first things first, we're gonna need a 10 millimeter. We're gonna need the new oil and our oil pan to catch the old oil. And yeah, let's get into this work. All right, so we're gonna take off this 10 millimeter bolt right here. This is your fill hole on this particular scooter. It's a 169cc Chinese scooter. And then the drain bolt is this one right here, right underneath. We're gonna take those off. And you can tell usually which bolt it is because it has a cross washer, as you can see right there. That gear oil is black. It is filthy. Filthy. Look at that thing. It's black, black, black. Man, oh man. But we're gonna get her done right this time. So, since this doesn't require that much oil, I'm gonna take some of the new one and spill it through until I start seeing it come out clean. I'm gonna do a total flush. And I'll be using for this gear change. There we go. Done. We're gonna be using gear lubricant 85-140. I don't know. I'll give it a shot.